Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm here to share with you the first in a series of 4 Christmas card classes. So my Christmas card series is going to run from July through October. So this is my Christmas in July class by mail. So let me show you first of all the projects, and then the products included in the class, and then the add-ons that you can choose if you wish. So this is a $28 class. That's the same for each class in the series. Each one is going to give you everything you need to make 5 Christmas cards, and I've given you a real variety of cards and ways to really learn how to use your stamps. This is a beautiful Christmas stamp set that's in the annual catalog called Trimming the Tree. It is a 2-step stamp and lots of fun pieces in it, and it is a photopolymer stamp set. Each of the classes also includes a tag. Now, the bag is not included, but I did want to show you what the tag looks like when you put it on your bag. So you get everything you need for all 5 Christmas cards plus the tag. All the die cutting is done for you. You're just going to stamp and assemble. It does include the following products, and these are all from our brand new holiday catalog. You're going to get 1/4 of a pack of this gorgeous Christmas Designer Series paper. I think it's called, the name escapes me at the moment. Let's see, I can probably pull it up right here. Lights Aglow. It's gorgeous. It's foiled on one side and matte on the other side. Beautiful paper. You're going to get 1/4 of a pack, which means you get 1 of each pattern in the set. So you get 12 double-sided sheets of Designer Series paper. You're going to get 5 yards of this gorgeous gold and silver metallic ribbon or vanilla ribbon. And then you're going to get a full pack of these red and green adhesive backed pearls. Now you can see I've already been digging into these because this is the second set I've gone through because I was making swaps and things. But these are gorgeous. You get gold, silver, soft succulent, and cherry cobbler. So these are gorgeous. You get the full pack. So this is a nice little set of products that you'll be able to do all kinds of holiday crafting with. Of course, you're going to use that here. There's a couple of add-ons that you can choose to add on to your class if you wish. This is all $28, and that includes your first class shipping. Now, these are the 3 ink colors that I've used: soft succulent, cherry cobbler, and evening evergreen. I do try to keep my number of ink colors to a minimum on my classes by mail so that, you know, you're not having to try to come up with 6, 7, 8 different ink pads. So if you don't already have these in your collection, you can add those to your class. You can add the stamp set if you wish. And again, this is an annual catalog stamp set. The other thing that I used on all 5 of the cards plus the tag is this set of dies, and it's called Scallop Contour. Now there is a coordinating stamp set for the flower dies, but I used all of these dies plus this one on my class. Now, to me, this is a must-have for every crafter. So if you don't already have this, you can get this plus the stamp set at cost. So I do give you some some perks when you purchase with my class. Also, if you choose to do this with your class, you will get a level 1 celebration item for free along with your class. So lots of goodies. This is only available for registration through July the 7th. At that point, registration closes. I start ordering all the products for your classes. I start all the prep because we have all of the die cutting we do and all of that good stuff. And then this class is going to ship out on July 15th. It is a true Christmas in July card class. I will have more information for you about the series. It's actually in my newsletter, information about the series. But if you do all 4 in the series, You get a free stamp set. So lots of goodies and lots of perks, lots of rewards for shopping with me and for taking my classes with me. I appreciate your consideration ever so much. Again, registration closes on July the 7th, so make sure that you get in on the first of my Christmas card series for 2022 that runs July through October. Thanks again. Take care and God bless.